guys, today we're doing the Daily Vlog 12. Here's my brother. We just attached the camera to the car and we're going to drive it around and crap, so this is going to be freaking epic. Okay, ready, Brian? Go! Don't back up into anything though, because you might hurt the car. Do donuts! Oh, okay, keep going, you're good. Oh god. That's freaking epic. Okay, stay there. Here, let's go explore. Let's make it go. No. Stop. Oh, it doesn't run under us. Yeah. It just farts. Let's go explore. Okay, we gotta pick it up. Okay, let's go.
It keeps getting stuck.
It's fun.
I know.
Okay, I think that's enough for today. I think we're starting to screw the truck.
Yeah.
So let's get this crap off.
Yeah.
And we'll be back when we get it off. Okay guys, we're back. Just got this just got the tape off. There's this truck. Truck is pretty cool. It's for land and water, you know, it goes across. It is snowing really bad out right now. It's like 6 feet in height. Crap. Yeah. Brian's just over here playing with his truck. We had a really good Christmas. You know, we had like Christmas yesterday, and it was like cool and stuff. But I got a big old huge freaking fat beanbag chair. Later we're gonna build another fort.
Yep. And you guys need to watch it.
Yeah. What are you doing back there?
Hello.
By the word that is shortened.
My mom's dog is sitting in the beanbag. I don't know, down there.
Oh, wait, we don't need tortilla shells. We need more ground beef. That's not gonna cut it.
What are you doing?
Watching you do your homework.
All right.
I got a video.
No, get a picture of it.